Have you ever wondered if there's a tool that could quickly identify the sizes of nuts and bolts in your shop? Well, now there is with the eye-gauging Zuther Extreme Technologies Wrench ID+. It's a measuring tool that identifies the sizes of bolt heads and nuts. All you do is power it on, squeeze the two measuring arms around your nut or bolt, and the Wrench ID+ will display the exact size for your wrench or socket. Not only does it work on nuts and bolts, but it can quickly identify the inside and outside diameters of piping and other related objects. You can easily recall your last size, and it comes with a handy LED light to brighten up darker areas. This is a tool that anybody who loves tools should own. It makes a great gift for the tool fanatic who must have the best and most innovative tools on the market. Check it out today.